What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the other side of meme coins that actually prints a shit ton of money. I know I am not talking about trading meme coins, I'm talking about deving the actual coins. This exact approach has made me a lot of fucking money in the millions of dollars, and most people are still not doing it. If you want to understand how it really works, watch till the end, bro, because you will learn a brand new strategy. Are you done losing money on meme coins by trading them? Well, I was too, so I started launching them instead, and that is where everything changed. Stay with me, I will show you guys exactly how to dev tokens and make some generational wealth. Now, most losses in meme coins do not come from bad luck, but for example, they come from trading the actual coin. Why? Because most people buy in these charts hoping to make money, but the person who actually launched the coin takes all their profits on them. That is why most KOLs and most experienced traders on X are pivoting to launching these coins instead. It's low risk and it's high reward and genuinely enjoyable. When you trade meme coins, you are funding the people who created them, like I said. But when you launch your own coins, you become the creator and you control the entire play. You are profiting from every single transaction. The process is straightforward. You just find a narrative, put the token live, and allow buyers to buy in, and then after that, when the moment feels right, bang, you exit your position. Launching has become the new method because creating a meme coin on chain costs virtually $0. It's basically nothing. That is exactly how I built my crypto portfolio from $0 to hundreds and thousands of dollars all through this year from 2025 to 2026. So stay locked in because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first token and potentially turn it into real profits, bro. This is going to be actually insane. And by the way, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please don't copy me, cap! When someone prepares to launch their first meme coin, the platform that they usually default to is Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure you guys know this by now. It's the most visible option, so it feels like the most obvious move, but that is where people make a mistake. Pump.Fun is overloaded and new tokens go live constantly and most of them disappear almost instantly. That is why I despise launching on this launchpad. If you are still launching here, you are not really building anything, you are just waiting and hoping for a bit of luck. And it gets even worse. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a portion of your creator fees. So right from the start, you are giving up control of your own project if you launch here. And as a dev, bro, the real objective is getting your token in front of the random DEX where real liquidity and real volume are resting, okay? And for that to happen, bro, your coin needs to reach around $55,000, which is almost impossible on Pump.Fun. It takes too long and you have to depend way too much on luck. That's why I switched to create coins.io, because this launchpad removes all of those limits and your token launches straight onto the random DEX immediately, skipping the entire bonding curve, and you're getting shown in front of a bunch of traders right away, okay? And you get a real edge. And most importantly, bro, you control your liquidity 100%. That's why people are quietly gatekeeping this launchpad. Now let me walk you through exactly how you launch a coin on this launchpad. There are two ways to create a token here, and which one you go with depends on your strategy and honestly on your liking. The first approach is launching a coin completely from scratch right here. This starts with the concept. You want a narrative that already has attention. So scroll through X, right? Browse Reddit, go on Google News, and look for a narrative that is trending. Anything that's already currently trending works. A viral tweet breaking political news, a meme gaining traction. If people are talking about it, it is usable. Anyways, once you've locked in a narrative, come back to the website, then choose a name, select a ticker, upload the logo, and then just like that, bro, after these steps, your token is live within minutes. But if you are focused on speed and immediate results, there's a second route. you can replicate trending coins. These tokens that are already taken off and pulling in constant buyers on Pump.Fun have a proven narrative. The hype is validated, the attention is proven, and the activity is happening. So instead of starting from zero, you can copy coins that are already working and then print from the existing hype of these narratives. I love copying coins because I've built my entire crypto portfolio all from doing this. Alright, let's move on and actually launch a meme coin. I'll be copying a meme coin right here, launching it on chain, and seeing how much we can make in a couple seconds. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, okay? It could be literally anything, just copy one, okay? I will be copying the duck coin. It looks good, so why not? Click on create coin. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin will be created in a couple seconds. Just fucking wait. Boom. If I go on Soul Scan, you guys can see that it is on the Solana blockchain. Everything works, everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking simple. This is where you create your actual liquidity pool for your coin, okay? And by the way, Pump.Fun does not give you guys the option to create your own liquidity pool. But anyways, this is what officially opens trading on Radium, so buyers can jump in your coin right away. Now there's two easy steps. Token A, click on 90%, that will drop the supply, which will be 900 million tokens. For token B right under, think of this as your first initial buy into your own coin. You are not losing any Solana here. It is just temporarily locked in to activate the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once the liquidity is removed, that SOL comes straight back to you, so we have nothing to lose, right? I'm gonna put 0.32 SOL, click on create pool. Okay, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the duck coin is now created. It's on chain. You will be able to see it on the Radium DEX. Now, if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits right here, you guys can see, okay, that we are already up $100 because people are buying in our coin and they are liking the narrative. Now click on view on photon. Let me go on full screen for a better view. You can also go on Axiom or Nova, it's all up to you. Let me go in full screen. And now the coin is live. You guys can see that we're already up like $200-300. A lot of people are buying in. These are all random wallets, okay? These are actual real people on chain who are buying in. These are most likely trenchers, traders, people trying to scalp, right? Come on, 2.2k market cap. It's fucking exploding, bro. We just made $100 right here. This is why I fucking love making coins, because bro, this coin costed $0. Now we're getting a shit ton of traction. Come on, pump. Come on, bro. Oh, someone sold for 70. That's not bad though. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to fucking pump and just marinate, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 3.4k market cap, 1.6k in liquidity. Now, when you're ready to make some money, bro, come back to createcoins.io. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.6 thousand, which is around 12.99 Solana. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all. Click on the red button, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we will be receiving 13 Solana in our wallet. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it from start to finish and make some quick profit. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys will see that we received the entire amount straight inside our wallet, bro. And even though the market is kind of down in volume, we still ended up making around $1.6 thousand. Now, join my Telegram group down below, DM me on Discord, join my Discord down below, bro, to connect with others. And yeah, bro, peace out. By the way, this guy won 3 SOL from last video. Good luck for this one.